I'm Paul Perkins with the check of your ag weather. After highs this afternoon in the 60s, a cold front dives to the south. Light rain and sprinkles are possible after midnight into tomorrow morning, but mostly to the northeast of the Tri-Cities. Winds increase a little during the overnight before northwest wind gusts of 45 to 50 tomorrow. Fire concerns increase during the afternoon to elevated levels with those stronger winds. Our highs tomorrow, more seas still in the 50s. A second push of colder air keeps our highs on Sunday to around 40. Lows drop to the low to mid-20s for tomorrow night and the mid-teens to around 20 on Sunday night. Monday, a transition to milder weather with most highs in the mid-40s to the low 50s and the mid-50s to the low 60s for southwest Nebraska and northwest Kansas. A warm front boosting our highs on Veterans Day to around 70. Highs level off to the 60s behind a cold front for Wednesday and Thursday. We hold on to the mild temperatures in the long-term forecast. Warmer than normal temperatures are likely Wednesday through November 20th for Nebraska and Kansas. By November 20th in central Nebraska, our daytime highs are usually in the upper 40s and average overnight lows are in the mid-20s. There was a slight change in the rainfall outlook. Below normal rainfall still indicated for Nebraska and Kansas the middle to late part of next week. The current forecast for next weekend through November 20th now calls for near normal to slightly below normal rainfall as opposed to above normal rainfall in the previous forecast. Key weather factors influencing the markets include colder air east of the Rockies this weekend into early next week, lake effect snow for the Great Lakes, dropping water levels on the Mississippi River, and heavier rain for central Brazil. Today, a cold front focuses scattered to isolated thunderstorms over parts of the Tennessee and Ohio valleys. An Arctic front moves through the eastern U.S. and brings another shot of rain and storms to the east coast while producing a snow mix combo over the Midwest this weekend. Cold air moving over warm waters of the Great Lakes could lead to significant lake effect snow through Monday. The plains are hit with a glancing blow of the colder air that is short-lived and quickly replaced by milder air next week. A new storm moves into the western U.S. late next week, and it may track across the U.S. in pieces next weekend into the following week. Upstream of the Mississippi River, there's been very little rain, and dryness next week lowers those water levels to hazardous levels the late half of this month. Central and northern Brazil have seen beneficial rain, but the rains could be heavier and more beneficial next week, boosting the soil moisture for early growth of soybeans and decreasing the need to replant. Argentina's soil moisture is good for soybean planting that increases this month, and winter wheat is in really good shape. Rain today and Tuesday through Wednesday, keeping those conditions favorable in Argentina. Long-range forecasts, though, indicate a drier pattern in Argentina, a possible change in favorable conditions. With the check of the ag weather, I'm Paul Perkins.